Okay, for number 11, we want to simplify this and see which of these is equivalent to it. And so remember, the way that we're going to simplify is just really it's a factor cancel type of problem. So there's no getting LCDs or anything, it's just factor and cancel. So the first thing I notice is, okay, these both divide by 2. So let's factor that 2 out. X squared minus 16, and then 4 minus x. And then hopefully we realize we're getting pretty good at this, is recognizing that this is a difference of 2 squares, something squared minus something squared. So that should automatically be factored to x, because square root of that, plus the square root of 16, and minus the square root of 16, which is 4. And then this is where the little trick comes into play, where we have to remember that -1 flip trick, right? Because I have a 4 minus x, and I have an x minus 4. So they don't quite cancel out yet. But remember, if we multiply this bottom one by -1, I'm going to turn that into a minus 4 and this into a plus x. So it turns around to become an x minus 4, not an x plus 4. It just flips around, moves the x here and then 4 over there. So using that -1 flip trick, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the bottom by -1 and the top by -1. And let's see what happens here. Or you can just take the opposite of the bottom and the opposite of the top. So what I get here is on top I have a minus 2 now, because it's a negative, of x plus 4 and x minus 4. And when we take the opposite of the bottom, it gives me x minus 4. Not x plus 4, it's an x minus 4. And now they can cancel out, and what are we left with is just this right here, the minus 2 and the x plus 4, which is C.